Hello, my name is Stokes, and I would like to present to you, the Chair of the Department of Education, my case study presentation of the Instructional Design and Technology LDT100X course. According to the Instructional Design and Technology Learning Theories course syllabus, the course plans to teach its audience how learning happens as a learning process. The syllabus states you'll learn how learning works and how to use agreed upon and well-researched principles so you can make the sometimes messy and unfocused problem work and develop a clear and testable idea of how you might organize that problem so it can be solved by learning. As the head of this department, it is important that you ensure that the online courses are following a learning design that allows activities and resources to collaborate as an educational learning process. The most innovative learning designer ensures that its product contains content that can be applied to real-world situations, which I have done through both quantitative and qualitative analysis of this course. The Online Learning Consortium aims to set the standard for online learning by forming understanding of blended and online learning while enforcing innovation. The quantitative analysis of the LDT100X course was done using the Quality Course Teaching Instruction Practice Scorecard, also known as QTIP. The scorecard is a rubric used to authenticate instructional methods on a quality scale. The scorecard can evaluate classroom experience and teaching effectiveness. The QTIP scorecard rating 2 with a possible earning total of 194 points. 0 is emerging, 1 is accomplished, 2 is exemplary, and A is not applicable and no clear way to assess. The scorecard measures the following 10 areas: course design, accessibility, ADA compliance, and universal design, course learning outcomes, course content, assignments, instructor role, class discussion and engagement, building community, communication, and continuous course improvement. Upon QSIP scoring, the LDT100X course earned the following scores in these areas: design with 1.83, access, ADA usability 2, learning outcomes with 1.3, content 1.33, assignments 2, instructor role 1.2, engagement 1.63, building community 2, and communication 1.6. These are the averages of these areas. The overall rating of this course was 130 out of a possible 194 points, which is a 70.7% and a 1.6 average. Most effective and exemplary in 3 areas: accessibility, ADA compliant, and universal design, assignments, and building community. According to UMGC, the practice of creating websites that are usable by people of all abilities or disabilities is the definition of web accessibility. To ensure that the online course was ADA compliant, I used the Equal Web Accessibility Checker to scan the entire course, scanning for ADA Section 508 and WCA 2.1 compliance. The checker analyzes the website and provides a comprehensive visual report about the site accessibility issues, including instructions and guidance on how to fix them. After scanning, the videos proved to include closed captioning. The website proved to be accessible to a variety of web browsers, and the website can be navigated through using the keyboard. This course showed only one error regarding the repetition of content. This error does not suggest that the overall OLE will cause disruption in the learning of students with impairments, but only suggests that it can be improved. The assignments area excels because they are directly related to the course learning objectives. Grading rubrics are included and clear. There is a schedule including due dates and timeframes. The list of assignments enable different learners to demonstrate skills and promote student interaction. Researchers Batu, Bauer, Loon, and Sadanan suggest that the interactive aspect of online assignments reinforce teaching and promote learning, which then encourages students to take advantage of these materials to improve their academic performance. The LDT100X course does this well. The course successfully built community through its discussion board. The discussion board is a safe climate for collaboration, facilitates positive communication with students, and creates and promotes respectful interaction. Researchers have expressed that vital elements of cognitive presences are supported by indirect facilitation in a community of learners by the teacher. The instructor demonstrates this in the LDT100X course by using inclusive language, provides activities that foster student interaction, and communicates expectations for participation with peers. While the course is effective, there are areas that could use improvement, such as teacher role and content. Please take heed to the following recommendations. Researchers have argued that the most important aspect of an online scenario is the pedagogical role of the instructor. In this course, it is unclear how open the communication lines between the instructor and its students are. There is no visible demonstration of concern for student issues and not many expectations or signs of student need response or feedback. It is my suggestion that the instructor creates visible interaction on the discussion board. Also, provide announcements regarding assignment updates, messages to check in on the class status, and concern for the student understanding be included to improve the 1.2 rating. After noticing the instructor visibility in the course, it is my suggestion that the continuous evaluation of course content be aligned with learning outcomes. When there is a clear link between learning objectives and outcomes with activities and assessment, performance is elevated. This is supported by Mikasa, Cicero, and Adamson when stating that outcome-based evaluation of student performance is required to evaluate student mastery of course objectives. The content of the course could be improved with a proper introduction to the course. This course does not provide an orientation, and I suggest that one be added to give students a head start on their journey in this course. Based on the QSIP scorecard, the LDTX course proves to be effective. The overall ratings are exemplary, however, 130 out of 190